Today we're going to be applying the Ortho Innovations wrist orthosis brace. This application is going to be for whether the brace is a custom brace or a prefab brace. Today's application is going to be for an extension contracture to where we want to gain flexion. The first thing that we need to do for this brace is we need to change the position of our middle strap. So to do that, we're going to remove the Velcro. We're going to remove the strap from the Velcro that's on the frame. We're going to remove the Velcro strap on the other side of the brace, and also remove the Velcro off the frame, the strap from the frame. We want to change the position of the strap so the strap will now be underneath the brace. Next, what we're going to need to do is come up, and we want to get the brace to mimic the patient's contracture. So we're going to turn the knob so we can get the same type of contracture that the patient has. For easier application, to slide the brace on, remove the strap from the brace approximately. Slide the brace over the patient's hand to where our bar is going to be just proximal to the distal palmar crease. I'm going to want my hinge of the brace to be in line with the wrist joint. Now next, what we're going to do is just apply our proximal strap, just a little tension on there to hold the brace in place. Next, we have to adjust our distal and our middle strap. To adjust the distal strap, take the Velcro off of the strap. Take the strap off the Velcro that's on the frame. Pull the strap so it's snug on the dorsum of the patient's hand, and then wrap the strap back around the brace, keeping the tension of the strap on the dorsum of the hand. Next, we're going to do the same thing for our middle strap. We want to remove our Velcro. Remove the strap from the Velcro on the frame. Pull up on the strap so we have the strap is snug on the anterior forearm. Keeping the tension of the strap on the arm, wrap the strap back around the brace, and then readjust our proximal strap so we have nice tension and snugness on the brace. We need to go ahead and have these straps snug on the arm. As we go to gain our flexion, this strap is going to be forcing our wrist into flexion. I need a counter leverage, and that's where the middle strap is going to do for our brace. Next, the protocol for the brace, of course, is dependent on what the physician or the practitioner prescribes. Normally it's a 3 to 5 treatments per day, 25 to 35 minutes per treatment. First, what we want to do is have the patient now turn the knob to where they start getting a good stretch and flexion. I don't want it to go to a painful stretch, but more like a comfortable nuisance. Once the patient reaches that point, I want them to back the brace off a quarter turn and hold it there and let it sit there for 5 minutes. At the end of the 5 minutes, I want to have the patient do 1 to 2 more stretches, turns on the knob, and hold it there for another 25 to 30 minutes. Once tension is put on the brace for the therapy, the knob can be removed, and there's no way when there's tension on the brace that the hinge can move. So the patient is solid for the next half hour. The patient may also wear the brace at night if they prefer to do their treatment, if the treatment is more convenient for them at night. Once the treatment is complete, the knob can be returned, tension removed off of the brace, remove the tension of our straps, and the patient can slide their hand out of the brace.